sometimes van life is not just sun and rainbows, it's rainy, gloomy days like now.
When we are doing road tripping, we try to chase the sun. It's a really fun adventure to look for the forecast and then drive to places where it's sunny. But now when we are stationed here in Helsinki area, we don't have that opportunity, so we have to be here
in the rain also. These gloomy rainy days, try to run errands. So we did laundry today.
So we did the laundry and also we bought some briquettes for our wood stove. We allowed to use briquettes nowadays because
so easy
and they burn like 3 hours compared to normal logs, they burn 2 hours.
So laundry is done, and also you can empty your toilet or get a water or get the grocery shopping.
So those boring things that you need to do regularly, for example once a week. Space is small and yeah, you are a little bit cramped here, but there's always some things you have to do. When you own a camper, there's always something that is
unfinished project. So it's a great time to finish those boring things.
Boring things that you have been delaying the whole year. For example, our back reversing camera that I have been delaying the whole year to install it properly. We have had this rear camera for a while, I think months. I bought it from Amazon, it was like $10 or something. And I installed it through this lamp. I thought that I can take actually 12 volts from here. It would be easier. I don't have to rewire everything from the dashboard. But it was a stupid thing to do because the camera is on only when this light is on. So basically 10 seconds after you start the van, it shut down. So it's not usable as a rear view camera. So now I just rerouted the wire there and get 12 volts for the camera. So we bought this mirror that has screen on it. So it just plugs in here, and this was actually recommended by one of our viewers. And I found it that it costs just 10 euros, so I bought it. Yeah, it's the best picture that you can get actually from the wires. The wires are really thin, but this is enough. You can see when there's something in front of you. And we insert the camera down where the number plate is, and that's because I want to see the shapes of the ground. If it's too high, I can actually see the shapes, if there's a rocks or it's a bump or something that I want to see. When it's down here, I can actually see here that there's rocks and there's bumps. So that's why we insert down there. And somebody told that it would get clocked fast, but it hasn't. It has been there for 5 months now, and I haven't wiped the camera at all. So it's still clear picture. Yeah, pretty good. Now I'm gonna just pack things up, so putting things together, and that's it. Then we are done.
I'm going to have a paper towel. Tent is really toxic label off, and I don't want to touch my hands with that. So I'm using doggy poop bags to cover my hands. Wintertime we keep extra insulation here, so it's just a thick fabric that we duct tape it. But the duct tape that we used leaves these really ugly, horrible marks. I have tried to take it off. I'm going to use this heavy duty label off this time and I'm just trying to take these ugly things off. Let's see how it goes. Rainy day activities. We always try to take our dogs outside when it's not raining, because living in a compact space with the wet dog, the smell is kind of bad. But sometimes you kind of have to take it out when it's raining.
And Dino hates rain. He doesn't move actually outside when it's raining.
Yeah.
And we have to take him like 200 meters away from the van until he walks. So he's an old dog that doesn't like cold or wet.
Yeah. Ta-da! Final result. So this took like 5 minutes. Look how clean everything is. So this is the place where we are going to spend so much time when it's raining like now. So watching movies and just being online and enjoying the fire that is dying, but we can put some extra logs there. Yeah. So it helps to keep your van really tidy in a rainy day, so you don't feel that bad when you are inside. You actually like to be here a lot.
And also the dogs like to be here. Oh. Small dogs. Some positive things about the rain. I love the sound that it makes in a van. The metal roof, when it hits the roof, and when you are laying on your bed and just enjoying. I think you can actually hear the sound that it makes.
It's really calming.
Yeah.
Also, when the weather is crappy like now, it's really nice because I don't have to be proactive. I can just stare at the beautiful view and listen to this.
Hailstorm!
Now it started to be a hailstorm.
So, yeah, this is not like the good sound.
Yeah.
Yeah, and one positive thing about the van life is that this is so simple life. And even if it's rainy and we don't have any things that we have to do, so yeah, we don't have to do. We can just be. I have learned in the past few years just to do nothing. But when it's raining, it's not option just make a work. So we can be on our laptops for one work day when it's rainy, but the second day we don't have enough battery capacity at the moment to work 2 days in a row when it's raining. So it's a bugger. Hopefully in future we have doubled the solar panels so we can work also when it's shady. I don't know how much solar we can get actually at the moment. 3 watts of solar at the moment, so the whole sky is full of clouds and we cannot get anything.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's why we need more solar panels that we count. Because if you count your solar panel after your needs, when it comes days like these, you cannot get actually solar to charge your batteries. And that's why we are planning in the future to add another solar panel to our roof. So something that is just 2 panels and other one slides to the side of the van. One reason why we do it is that we don't want to buy a generator. We don't want to listen to the generator going on beside our van.
We really hate the generator sounds.
So yeah, we don't want to go that route. We just double the solar capacity and work when it's sunny.
Yeah.
That's our plan. So the laptops use depends what you do with your laptops. If you're just browsing internet or watching YouTube videos, it doesn't consume that much electricity. But when you are editing videos or something similar things that are consuming a lot of energy, then you are draining your batteries much faster. And we were actually surprised how much it takes energy when you are editing videos.
Yeah.
We can watch like week in a row YouTube videos from our laptop. It doesn't drain our batteries, but when we are editing videos, it will drain our batteries really fast.
Then there's one fun thing that you can always do when it's rainy, gloomy day. You can make pancakes!